Hello, my name is Daniel Buckley. I'm from Ireland. I'm a police officer from Ireland. I've been thinking about getting a hair transplant for the last couple of years. I first came across Hair of Istanbul on Instagram, followed them for the last couple of years, following the different stories, blown away with some of the results. So I've been thinking about getting it for the last maybe 2 years with lockdown and with COVID. I just finally decided to go for it, and best decision I've ever made, really. The whole experience has been unreal. Everything from the get-go, stress-free, absolutely no hassle. Everything was looked after. All the staff, both clinics, hotel, just everything was amazing. Highly recommend it. I've even a lot of friends looking for discounts for everything. They're really pleased. Definitely 100%, yeah, highly recommend it. Process was amazing. They initially just drew up what they thought. They asked me, was I happy with it, if I wanted to change anything. I decided to go slightly lower, but they recommended not to go too low, so they just gradually brought it down slightly. They weren't going to do anything until I was 100% happy with it, and I was. Everything it went amazing. Really professional, really happy with the results. I suppose the reason I picked Hair of Istanbul is literally just looking off their results alone off Instagram. I follow a lot of different clinics in Turkey, Istanbul, and they looked the best. The results were the best by far, and even the whole process, by inquiring initially, all the information, everything was. I was onto a few different clinics, but I definitely found them the best.
My name is Diarmuid and I'm from Ireland, and I decided to come over to Istanbul to get a hair transplant. It was something that I had always considered, but I suppose the thing that gave me the final push was my brother was actually interested in going about doing the same procedure. So between the two of us, we got in contact with Hair of Istanbul. We sent a few messages. Communication was very easy from the get-go. We always felt that there was just a very warm, kind of friendly atmosphere. Nothing was overly pushed, all very comfortable and at a level and a speed that you wanted to go with. So we initially discussed it back during the summer, but just with work commitments, the two of us weren't able to come over until now. As I said, very easy to get on with. Any questions, there was no issues. If I had asked a question, the most I would ever be waiting was a couple of hours until I got a response. So that gave us confidence in, I suppose, who we were choosing to go over with, because it is a big commitment and people don't do this lightly. So you want to have full confidence in who you're going with and knowing that you're getting the best treatment that you can out there. And I think we definitely have found that with who we chose now, Hair of Istanbul, that we really did get a very unique and VIP experience. Everybody was so welcoming. There was nothing that you could ask for. The whole experience, from getting picked up in the airport, brought to the hotel, chauffeured to the clinics and to the facilities, everything was just taken care of. There was no worries. You could focus on what you were coming over here to do, and everything else was taken care of.